Exercise 5.3, question number 3, part 7. Given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 90, SN equal to 210, find N and D. So we are given that A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210, and we have to find the value of N and D. This we have to find out. So we are given here A, AN and SN. So here we will use our formula. Since Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus AN, the direct formula we have. Now Sn we are given 210, which is equal to n by 2 A plus AN, that is 8 plus 62. So if you multiply this 2 here, 210 into 2 is 420, which is equal to n into 62 plus 8 is equal to 70. Therefore, n will be equal to 420 upon 70. We get 7 6 42. So n is equal to 6, which is the first value. Now we have to find out D. So we can find out D by using either formula of Sn or by using formula of An. It will be easy if we use this formula of An. So since An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An we have 62, A is equal to 8 plus n we have 6 minus 1 into D. So 62 minus 8 is equal to 5D. It is 54 is equal to 5D. Therefore, D is equal to 54 upon 5. That is equal to, either we can leave the answer here only or we can divide it. So 5 tens of 40 and 4 is remaining. So the answer is 10 whole 4 upon 5. So this is the value of the D. Let's see another question. This time we have, let us take question number 9, in which we have A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192, find D. So in question number 9 we are given that A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192. So D we have to find out. So let us use the formula. Since Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So n equal to 8 we are given, and S8 we are given 192. So 192 is equal to 8 by 2, 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. So we get 192 is equal to 4 within bracket 6 plus 7d. So 192 upon 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Therefore, if you divide this by 4, 4 is 16 and 4 8 is 32. So it is 48. That is equal to 6 plus 7d. So 7d is equal to 48 minus 6. So 7d is equal to 42. Therefore, d is equal to 42 upon 7. That gives you the value of d is equal to 6. Okay. Now let's try 10th question also. In question number 10, we are given that given L equal to 28, S is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. So we are given L, that is last term, 28. We are given S is equal to 144, and we are given total 9 terms, n equal to 9. So A we have to find out. So since we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus An or L, both are same. So Sn we are given 144, n is equal to 9 by 2, in bracket A plus last term is 28. So 144 into 2 upon 9 is equal to A plus 28. Therefore, if we cancel it by 9, so 9 ones are 9 and 9 6 are 54. So 16 2s are 32 is equal to A plus 28. Therefore, A is equal to 32 minus 28. That gives you A is equal to 4. So this way we can solve the questions like this when we are given the specific values of A and S, D or the last term L. Okay.